Welcome back to Math 107 College Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at division of complex numbers. The first thing that we need to do is define the conjugate of a complex number. And the notation for that is A plus BI, and we're going to put a vertical line over that. That indicates we're looking for the conjugate. And what we're going to do is simply change the sign on the coefficient on I. That is also known as the imaginary part of I. So we get that the conjugate of A plus BI is A minus BI. A nice thing about that is if I multiply A plus BI times A minus BI, we're going to get A squared, then outside terms give me minus ABI, my inside terms give me plus ABI, and my final terms give me a minus I squared B squared. So the minus ABI and plus ABI cancel out. Because the minus I squared here, I can immediately turn this minus I squared B squared into a plus B squared. And I end up with A squared plus B squared, where A and B are both real numbers. So therefore, that's a real number. So that's a useful fact when we're doing division. So how we're going to use that, I'll give you a problem. 2 minus 5i divided by 1 minus 6i. The first thing I'm going to do is multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the complex conjugate of the denominator. Let's get 1 plus 6i for the conjugate. And then we're going to multiply these just like they're polynomials. So in the denominator, I get 1 plus 6i minus 6i minus 36i squared. I'll leave that like that for now. In the numerator, I get 2 plus 12i, multiplying the outside terms. Multiplying the inside terms gives me a minus 5i. And multiplying the last terms gives me a minus 30i squared. So, anything with the I squared, I can make it a negative 1, make the proper adjustments. So that'll be plus 30 there. Down here, that minus 36i becomes plus 36. Also in the denominator, the plus 6i and minus 6i cancel. So we are left with 32 plus 7i over 37, which I am perfectly fine with this notation. Unfortunately, in my math lab, it's going to require you to separate those two numbers. So it'll be 32 over 37 plus 7 over 37 multiplied by I. So that concludes section 3.1 of our textbook. In the next set of videos, we're going to take a look at section 3.2, which is on how to solve quadratic equations.